What's up everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can do the zoom effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, and it's really simple, so let's go. First what we want to do is go to project, right click, new item, color matte. Okay, and now it will ask you a color. We can also, I don't know, choose green maybe or something like this. Okay. First, this will be our background. Let's put it on our timeline. And now what we want to do is to choose a text. So grab a text, paste it on your background color, and now let's write here zoom. Okay, we have a text. Let's put it like we can put it like this. It's all right. Yep. Now what we want to do, go to effects controls, open the text, let's change it to something else like that. Let's change the tracking a little bit. Now what we want to do is to get it to the middle, and we need to make it like that. And let's make it much bigger. Like this. Let's again change the position. We just need to play around it. And let's change the scale also. Okay. And now the animation. Okay, so we have the zoom. This is our starting intro, and now start with the animation. Click again on the zoom. Go to the motion, and now we are going to play it. Click on a scale toggle animation to create a first keyframe, and the first keyframe will start like here. Choose also font. Okay, it's good. So this is it. This is our starting keyframe. And now what we want to go is like few seconds later, like 1 or 130, to go to 100, or like this. Yep. And let's play it. So it needs to be much faster. So we are going to put it like here. And now what you want to do is to choose it, grab both of your keyframes, right click on them, and choose ease in. It will be much smoother. Okay, and now what you can do also to have it much better, right there blur in the effects menu, choose, which one was that? Directional blur, paste it on your zoom effect text, and again let's go on the beginning. And where was it? Yep, here it is. And no. I don't like directional blur. Let's choose a Gaussian blur. Let's see. Okay. Put the first keyframe on a 50 or on 25. And now put second keyframe on 0. And let's see. Voila. Now let's put it like this to be short. And look at that. The zoom effect. Easy. So this is how we make the zoom intro. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can support me and subscribe. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye. Peace.